Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn the most commonly used word in all languages. Thank you and goodbye. In Chinese we say thank you, 谢谢,谢谢. The pinyin 谢 xie, the fourth tone. And goodbye, 再见, 再见. Goodbye, 再见. Now, 谢谢, 谢谢. Both are in the fourth tone, the down tone. This character is a little bit more complicated one. It has three parts. The left part, the middle part, and the right part. When we write Chinese, we start from the left to the middle and finish on the right. And this is a typical example in this 谢谢, thank you in Chinese. Now, step by step. First stroke. Second stroke is this is very long, all the way, and has a little hook. And then you do two lines in the middle, horizontal line, the top one and the bottom one. And then this is one stroke. And then the right part. Xie. Xie, xie. The same character, you say it twice. It means thank you. Okay, I'm writing this one more time, slowly in big letter, big character. Xie, xie. Thank you, 谢谢. Now, we're going to learn how to write 再见, goodbye, or see you later, 再. Now, stroke by stroke. Connect here. And then this horizontal line is going to go through these, this vertical line is going to go through these lines, horizontal lines, to this, still inside this big box. Up to this point. And then the last stroke is a long horizontal line across all the section to finish up. Make sure it's covering the tip of this center line. Don't let this go through here. That's very important. 在. This is a little challenging to write. 见 is a little bit easier. Has fewer strokes. Now one, the second one connect here and then go down is one stroke. Zai, jian. Okay, I'm going to repeat here. Write in big characters for you to see better. It ends kind of in the middle of this big kind of a square section, and the last stroke is all the way going through here. 见. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 谢谢，再见。